Feeling bored is a common feeling for everyone. Boredom is a common complaint among children and youngsters. Students are bored with their studies. We are bored with our daily life or with our jobs. Loss of interest is the main reason for boredom. Learning new things is the best solution for every age candidate. Learning new things, new facts, and doing new things with the help of new ideas that are thinking are also interesting and also kill your boredom. We are bored with the daily use of Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and many more. I will mention below some interesting websites that can help you to kill time in boredom. Are you interested? Bookmark these websites. Here are 8 interesting websites for bored people to kill time. The Oatmeal. The Oatmeal is a webcomic and humor website created in 2009. His wacky drawings are mainly based on relatable life situations, education, and crazy stories that would never be possible in real life. Noise. With the help of Noise, you can share your thoughts or secrets with the world. This website allows every visitor to reply to others' notes. You can tell the world who you are with the help of that note. It's basically a collection of anonymous notes that stay on the website for 24 hours and then get deleted. Cool Things. If you search for the latest cool gadgets in Chrome, then Cool Things website is the best website for you. Not only cool gadgets, they include toys, inventions, and gadgets. They also provide articles and information about cool gadgets. 8 lakh stars. This is one of the best beautiful things created by Google Chrome. It shows a representation of the galaxy, especially the stars inside the galaxy. You can take a tour of the galaxy from the sun to 100,000 stars. Open this interactive visualization in the browser. You definitely liked it. Big Think. This website is the best website to motivate yourself and learn from others' mistakes. It's a place where we find stories of successful people of the world and also find their ideas. It's a place that shares ideas and insights from the most successful people around the world. Super Cook. Founder Asaf Rosenblatt. This website is my favorite one. If you want to cook but do have not sufficient ingredients, then you can cook the food with the available ingredients. Hacker News. Hacker News is the website you should be on if you're interested to stay in the loop of the cybersecurity world and startup. Not always right. If you're a working candidate, then you have a probable lot of stories. And most important things, they do have a similar story. However, it's a good collection of stories that prove the customer is not always right. Send this to your friends who need to see this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.